Hello friends, welcome back. I'm going to be sharing with you January's grocery haul. Okay, I shopped pretty much for the month of January, and so this is the everyday grocery haul. I also have a freezer meal haul as well to share with you. A 10-pound bag of potatoes, a pineapple, some zucchini, and cucumbers. I got another bag of the Terrell's rolls and scone dough. Oh, so good. They make really good rolls, but they make fantastic scones for Navajo tacos. Some strawberries, and look how big these blueberries are. Oh my goodness. For cottage cheese, and here is some here. Shaylee loves her cottage cheese. I actually picked her up 2 of the peach fruit filled cottage cheese to see if she would like that, and I could put that in her lunch for her. I grabbed some of the local homemade salsa from a local grocery store here. Oh my gosh, this stuff is so good. And some Chobani strawberry yogurt, which I did get granola for. Okay, and some pasta. Pasta was on sale. These bags were 69 cents. I've seen them go down even further to 49 cents, but I grabbed some for Callie to take back to school. So I have 2 bags, 1 pound each of spaghetti, and the rest are all penny rigati. And then also the rigatoni was on sale as well, so I grabbed some of that. For $1, they had the Knorr rice sides, and I grabbed some for Callie to take back to school. So we grabbed chicken flavor broccoli, so it's rice and a pasta blend. This one is a creamy chicken blend, herb and butter, and cheddar broccoli. Goldfish was also on sale for 99 cents a bag. I grabbed 1 more. Shaylee and her friend are already devouring it in her room. So we have goldfish. Shaylee loves goldfish. Some of the local markets tortilla chips to go with that salsa. They're so delicious. The Ruffles cheddar and sour cream are on sale. Grabbed a bag. A bag of already made pre-made salad, romaine salad here. So Derek can bag that up and take it to work. I have a red onion, a bag of organic collard greens, which are already open, that we have already fed to our lizard. 4 packets of the au jus gravy for the French dip sandwiches. So good, so good. And then I grabbed some hamburger buns for this week's dinner. We're having shredded barbecue chicken. And I grabbed some bread. I am going to be starting to make my own bread again, but I grabbed some bread to start the week off with. So I have 2 whites and 2 wheats. A gallon of the Great Value orange juice with calcium. It's so good. We already dived into it. A box of Honey Nut Cheerios. 2 gallons of skim milk. A 12-pack of Lay's potato chips for the lunches. And here we have the Kraft Deli Deluxe White American Cheese Slices with 2 packages of the Lando Frost Smoked Ham. Some Funyuns. My kids love Funyuns. Okay, I grabbed quite a bit of jars of the Classico creamy Alfredo sauce. Callie's going to be taking some of these back to school with her. And some Classico family traditional pasta sauce. Callie is going to be taking this back to school with her. I thought I grabbed 2 of the buttermilk recipe. It's for a roast that I make, but I accidentally, it must have been behind it, a bacon and ranch flavored dip, which I don't see us using. Maybe I could find a recipe for, I don't know, but that was a oops. Some Cozy Shack rice pudding. I'm going to see if Boston and Shaylee like these to put them in their lunch. Smith's was having a case lot sale, you guys. I love it when they do this. January, they always have a case lot sale. I hit the last case lot sale they did, so I didn't need much, but we were on our last 2 cans of red kidney beans, so I grabbed a case of 12. We use this in beans that we make. We use it in minestrone soup. And a box of chicken flavored ramen, bananas, and a 60 count of large eggs. I love getting them like this because we go through them so much. And then a 12-pack of the purple G2 Gatorade to the kids to take to school as a drink. This is the granola that I got for the Greek yogurt, the Kind Healthy Greens It's gluten-free, oats and honey clusters. So good with toasted coconut. Oh my goodness, this is so good to snack on. I have a freezer meal grocery haul for you. Just to preface, the freezer meals that I'm going to be making with these, I am doubling the recipe. So one recipe bag is going to go in the freezer. The other recipe in a Ziploc bag is going in our refrigerator for the meals for the week. So I'm doubling and getting ahead of the week, making meals for the week and for the freezer. So we're getting back into this habit and I'm so excited. If you want to see what meals are going to be created with this stuff, look for that very soon. Some boneless 3-pound bag, 2 3-pound bags of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I like working with frozen chicken when I do freezer meals. It's just easier. 2 10-pound bags, so 20 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I have 4 15 ounces containers of ricotta cheese, and that is for a Lazy Man lasagna that I'm going to be making for my daughter to take back to school. And I will be making them in these loaf containers because she doesn't need a whole casserole pan, and this will probably be like 2 meals for her in just this one. Okay, I have some dressings that I'm going to be using on some of these meals. They're dump and go. I have a Russian dressing, 2 Russians. I should have 2 French, but maybe I didn't need 2. 2 Frank's Red Hot sauces, 2 whole cranberry jars. Okay, I have coleslaw here. Obviously, I'm not freezing this, but I am making barbecued chicken sandwiches for the family, and we'll eat that on top of the sandwiches for the week. When it's time to thaw out the freezer meal, I'll go and purchase some more coleslaw. So we have mozzarella cheese for the Lazy Man lasagna, some buttered lettuce for a Thai like peanutty chicken that I'm making. So, oh yeah, it's gonna be so good. 4 bags of broccoli florets. It's for like a chicken Alfredo bacon pasta freezer meal. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's gonna be so good. Here I have green peppers for some of these meals that I'm making, but also I'm also making the traditional freezer meals that I have, like sloppy joes, meatloaf, that need peppers. So I grabbed the green peppers, and I also grabbed yellow, orange, and red bell peppers. I grabbed a bag of onions. So we need onions in general in our home, but also for these meals. Some rigatoni for the Lazy Man lasagna. Some apricot, pineapple preserves for one of the meals. It's a dump and go. And then Alfredo sauce for the broccoli chicken bacon Alfredo. And there are also a lot of ingredients not on the table for the freezer meals that I already have stocked in my home. I have some lime and lemon juice, and a bag of freezer Ziploc bags, and some aluminum foil. This is my freezer meal grocery haul, and I am so excited to share with you what all of this is going to turn into, so stay tuned. This is our January haul. Look for the meals that are coming out. I have freezer meals for you, some what we ate for dinner videos. So, all right, thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you soon.